Do you have what it takes to be successful in life? Hey look, we are all complex people and have different ways to spend our time. This simple self-assessment API can show how likely you will be successful in life. As always, we'll build this in Excel. We have the same number of hours in the day as Elon Musk and Steve Jobs. How do they achieve so much in their life? It turns out that how well you spend your time is a pointer to your greatness as an individual. To create this API, we'll be using AlchemyJ, which is an Excel add-in that can turn Excel business model into API. This way, you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download this add-in for free at alchemyj.io. First, do you spend a lot of time on social media and television? Are you staring at your phone all day? Some studies show that there is even a correlation between social media and depression. Second, what time do you wake up in the morning? Some of the most successful people say that rising early is key to their success. Getting up early can give you more quiet time and become more productive. Third, how much do you save? Do you spend all your income and live on credit card? Do you have the money you need to reach your goals? Fourth, how much time do you work and study? Most people work 9 to 5. If you want to achieve your goal faster, you need to invest more time in it. If you work 60 hours a week, you can achieve 50% more than a normal person can in a week. Fifth, how much do you exercise? After all, you must have good health to enjoy every moment of life. Doing physical exercise regularly improves health, concentration, and creativity. Sixth, how much time do you spend networking? A network survey found that people who said networking play a role in their success spend an average of 6.3 hours a week participating in networking activities. Networking can strengthen business connections, get fresh ideas and new insights. How much time do you spend on it? Finally, how much time do you spend with your family? For many people, being able to provide a good life for the people they love is one of the biggest reasons why they want to be successful. While you're working hard, do you maintain a healthy work-life balance? This is the self-assessment tool I created in Excel. Let's try it out. How much time do you spend on TV and social media per week? I spend about an hour a day on weekdays and a bit more during weekend, so it would be B for me. What time do you get out of bed? C, between 7 to 8 in the morning. What percentage of your income goes to savings? More than 40%? Next, how much time do you spend at work or study a week? Around 60 hours, so it would be D. How much exercise do you do per week? B. How much time do you spend with your friends or networking per week? Say under 2 hours. A. How much time do you spend with your family per week? Somewhere between 12 to 18 hours. So what do I get? 43. I'll be moderately successful in life. That's not bad. We can now convert this Excel file into API using AlchemyJ. We are speeding up the process here. If you want to know how to do it in detail, check out the links in the description box below. The API is now ready. To test the API, I have created a user interface that calls the API to get the question list and to calculate the score. You can create a web page or a mobile app to call the REST API as you wish. When I click this button, it will call the API to get the result and display it on this test result page. To see the actual API, open this API documentation which AlchemyJ automatically generates. It is in OpenAPI format. You can even try the API using this page. So there you have it. This Excel template is available for download on our website. You may go to alchemyj.io, sign in or sign up for an account if you haven't done so. You'll find this template and many more interesting templates under the resources section. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe for more. Tell us what do you think about this template under the comment section. See you soon in the next video.